Okay, right. So to export parts on your kind of pinball project that is being kind of 3D printed, what you need to do is open up your file originally, and you're going to go to Manage at the top, and you go to Make Components. You need to left click on the part that you want to 3D print. So you can either do that on the left hand side and hover over, but if I am doing this one here, this is in 2 parts. So I'm going to left click on the top and left click on the bottom and select the whole thing. I'm just going to create, make sure it goes to a location that I'm happy with. So I just changed this to the year 10 test folder. And you will notice it's now got those 2 solids on the left hand side. I left click on next, and then I click on apply. It will now create an assembly of that part, so that individual part there. So I'm just going to close that, get this into a view I can see. So this is all to scale and everything, that's the individual part. If I now go to top left and I go File and I go Export and I go CAD format and I go and make sure that it is an STL file. Double check on options that it is in millimeters, not centimeters, and press OK. I will then save that into my folder. Okay, and that part is now saved so that it's ready to be exported into either Prusa Slicer, a CAM program, or Ultimaker Cura, a CAM program.